Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. We got another accessory from STARTRC for our Neo 2. This is a floating guard for the Neo 2. I don't know how I feel about letting my drone land on water, but any situation can arise when you're out there flying. So let's just take a look at what we get in the box and see if this is going to be something that I would want to incorporate into my flying adventures. All right, guys, so starting with the box, as you guys can see, it's very well packaged. Let's just pop it out and see exactly what we're going to get. All right, is there anything else in that box? Probably not. All right, so we do get a little starter manual, and that's going to kind of walk us through, how to set everything up, how to clip it onto the drone. That's really nice. But most of these things are going to be very, very self-explanatory. So let's just dump it out here and see what we got. Okay. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. So I like the foam. It feels really nice. It's got these nice little feet here. Now this is obviously designed, for, that's kind of cool. This is designed, for flotation. So let's see how that's going to work with what I already have on the drone. Now I'm not trying to add additional weight, to the drones, but it is nice to be able to have something like this. So from what I can tell, this should be this side, like so. And it clips on, so we're just going to press it on into all of the little areas. And you see it clips over this little tab right here, so that's how it's kind of secured on. So we're going to do the same on the opposite side. So let's grab this one. And just so you guys get a better look at that again, we're going to clip that around the front, like so, all the way to the back. And you guys can see how it fits into those little channel grooves there. And yeah, that's even with the top guard on, this still works. Now, I do have this little landing light on here, so let's see if that's going to be affected in any kind of way. So the landing light, for the most part, is still giving me more elevation than this would, but that's okay because this is still going to be good for bumper guard. So, if the drone was to drift off for some reason and bump into something, that's still going to work. And yeah, I like that. I like that. So yeah, really sleek design. It feels good in the hands. It's not difficult to take off. I'm just trying to see, just giving it a little tug to see if it's going to easily pop off. But no, it's well seated in there, so it's going to stay in there with no problem. So again, if you're someone who flies over water, like a lot of us do with our bigger drones, this might be a worthwhile investment, guys. Just, a little peace of mind, to make sure if for some reason your drone was to land in water, it would be okay for the most part. At least you'd be able to recover it, so that's how we have to look at it. But yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So definitely check this out. You see I can drop it on the desk. This is not making contact whatsoever. Same here. Little bump. Let's go to the front. Look at how much space we have between those little guards there. So if this was to crash into something front facing, that's also going to hopefully protect the gimbal. So yeah, this is a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to show you this cool little accessory sent out to me by STARTRC. For most casual flying, I think this is going to be a great idea. All right, see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.